Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome students for this session. How to write a formula. The most commonly used example, what is that? Water, right? We know water. We also know this formula H2O. Let us write first the symbol of element. Valency. Valency can be two types, that is positive or negative. If it is positive, this is known as cations, negative anions. Okay. Example, this will be sodium H plus. Okay, the anions chlorine O2 minus. So let's start with this first. What we are taken is water molecule, right? Which is the element present here? Name of the element hydrogen, and which is the second element? Oxygen, right? For hydrogen H, for oxygen O. Now write the valency. What was the valency for hydrogen? It was 1. Oxygen, it was 2 minus. Okay, now next step is cross this valency. Whatever valency you have for hydrogen, you need to cross with oxygen. And what is for oxygen, you need to cross with hydrogen. So what will be the formula now? The formula what we get is hydrogen. How many hydrogens? 2 hydrogens, H2. How many oxygens? 1 oxygen, right? O. So this is the formula for water molecule. Okay, similarly if we write for the next element, hydrogen chloride. So what is the element here? Element is hydrogen. Which is the second element? Second element here is chlorine. Okay. What is the symbol for hydrogen? H. Symbol for chlorine is Cl. Okay, now write the valencies. Hydrogen's valency we know it is 1. What is the valency of chlorine? -1. So keep one point in mind while writing the valencies. Don't get confused with the charges. Okay, in the formula there will not be any charge. Now just cross the valencies here. Cross the valency of hydrogen to chlorine and chlorine's valency to hydrogen. What you get? How many hydrogens? 1 hydrogen. How many chlorine? 1. So the formula for this is HCl. So let's take carbon dioxide. Which are the elements? Carbon is the element. And what is the second element? Oxygen. This is the symbol, right? What is the valency for carbon? Valency for carbon is 4, for oxygen is 2. Now what is the next step? Just simplify. 2 ones are and 2 twos are 4. What you get? How many carbons? 1 carbon and 2 oxygen. So this is the formula for carbon dioxide. Magnesium chloride. So which are the elements? One is magnesium. So this is the symbol. The name is magnesium. Second element is, here is Cl. The symbol is Cl. Element is chlorine. You need to write the symbol Mg and Cl. Now next is write the valency. How much valency magnesium has? You need to learn the valencies. Magnesium have valency as 2, chlorine valency as 1. Now cross the valencies. Formula will be Mg. How many M? 1 M. How many chlorine? 2. Cl 2. So this will be the formula for magnesium chloride. Aluminium chloride. Okay. Which are the two elements present in this? Write the symbol A, capital A and small l. Then chlorine, capital C and small l. Okay. Now next write the valency. The valency for aluminium here is 3. The valency for chlorine is, we know, 1, right? So just now cross the valencies. How many Al? Al 1. How many chlorine? 3, Cl3. So this will be the formula for aluminium chloride. Okay, let us write one more. Calcium oxide. Can you identify the elements present here? This is calcium, symbol is Ca, oxide element here is oxygen, the symbol is O. So what will be the valency for calcium? It will have 2 valency. Oxygen, it is going to have 2 valencies. Okay, now again you see here, when you cross the valencies, calcium's valency is 2 will go to oxygen, oxygen valency will go to calcium. Again you see the numbers are same. Calcium will be plus 2 valency and this will be minus 2. Now when you simplify, you get 2 ones are 2 ones are, right? So what will be the formula here? Calcium, how many calcium? 1 calcium. How many oxygen? 1. So CaO will be the formula for calcium oxide.